Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you on using slider revolution in Shopify to add engaging images sliders to your store. So let's make your visuals stand out. First, you'll need to install the slider revolution app. In your Shopify admin, go to apps, then to Shopify App Store. Click on online store, or you can search it in the search bar and search for revolution. Slider revolution here. You can search it if you haven't already installed it. Search it in the search bar in the App Store and click on it, and there will be a button, a download button here. Click on it and finish installing. Now, after once the app is installed, open it to start designing your first slider. Now we'll create a slider. In the app, click on create new slider and choose a style template or start from scratch. We'll start from scratch right here. As you can see, this app is paid. So we'll go just on a guide. Or we can skip it. Here, upload the images, videos, adjust animations, and customize settings for timing and transition. You can do it all in here. After that, let's add the slider to your store. Copy the slider's emd code from the app. Go to online store, themes, and click on customize here. And pass the code into custom HTML section where you'd like the slider to appear. You can edit the code here, right here. And you can copy the HTML code. And that's it. There you have your slider revolution slideshow is now live on your Shopify store. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.